Good afternoon, students. So in the last class we have solved some problems on continuity and differentiability. So in today's class we'll solve some previous year Karnataka CET questions on application of derivatives, and we'll also solve some exemplar problems in today's class as well as in tomorrow's class. So let us start with the first question. A balloon which always remains spherical is being inflated by pumping in 10 centimeter cube of gas per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon is increasing when the radius is 15 centimeters. So this was asked in 2015 Karnataka CET. So now let us solve this. So first we'll write the given information. Given. So what is this 10 cubic centimeter per second? It is dV by dt. So here dV by dt. Here dV by dt, which is equal to 10 cubic centimeter per second, and then see here, find the rate at which the radius of the balloon is increasing when the radius is 15 centimeter, and here the radius is 15 centimeter. So now what we have to find here? Find the radius. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon, that means we have to find dr by dt. So see here, we have, so here the balloon is in the form of sphere. What is the volume of a sphere? V which is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi r cube. So now differentiate both the sides with respect to r. Differentiate with respect to r. What do we get now? dV by dr, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi is a constant. 4 by 3 pi is a constant. Then what is the derivative of r cube? It is 3r square. So now here 3 and 3 get cancels. So what do we get? It is 4 pi r square. So dV by dr, which is equal to 4 pi r square. So now by chain rule, dV by dt, which is equal to, by chain rule dV by dt, which is equal to dV by dr into dr by dt, So now what is the dV by dt? It is 10. So I write 10 here. 10, which is equal to dV by dr. It is 4 pi r square. Then write dr by dt as it is. So now take this term to the LHS, it goes to the denominator. So now take 4 pi r square to the LHS, it goes to the denominator. This implies dr by dt, which is equal to 10 divided by 4 pi r square. So now we have to substitute the value of r. It is 15 centimeters. So dr by dt at r equal to 15 centimeter. This is equals to 10 divided by 4 pi. It is 15 square. So now see here, dr by dt, which is equal to 10 divided by, so 15 square it is 225 into 4 it is 900. So 900 pi. So here 0 and this 0 get cancels. dr by dt, which is equal to 1 divided by 90 pi centimeter per second. So which is the right answer now? 1 by 90 pi centimeter per second. It is the option B. So let us solve the second question. The rate of change of volume of a sphere with respect to its surface area when the radius is 4 centimeter is. So he has given 4 options, and this question was asked in 2017. So let us solve this. So see here, we know that V which is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So the volume of a sphere is going to be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Differentiate both the sides with respect to r. So we get dv by dr, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi as a constant. Derivative of r cube will be 3r square. So now 3 get cancels. dv by dr, which is equal to, so it is 4 pi r square. Call this as equation number 1. So next we have to go for the surface area. See there, sphere with respect to its surface area. So now S, which is equal to 4 pi r square. So this is the surface area of a sphere. So now differentiate with respect to r, we get ds by dr, which is equal to 4 pi constant, write it as it is. The derivative of r square will be 2r. So now ds by dr, which is equal to 8 pi r. 4 into 2, it is 8 pi r. So we have got ds by dr. Now by chain rule, so see here, dv by ds, see here, the rate of change of volume of a sphere, with respect to its surface area is equals to dv by dr into dr by ds. So now dv by ds, which is equal to, what is the dv by dr now? It is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square into dr by ds. Here we have ds by dr. Take the reciprocal. We get 1 divided by 8 pi r. So here 4 ones are, 4 twos are. So pi and pi get cancels, and r and here 1 r get cancels. So now dv by ds, which is equal to, so we are left out with small r in the numerator, divided by 2. Now dv by ds at r equal to 4 centimeter, at the radius equal to 4 centimeter, r which is equal to 4 centimeter, which is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So what is the unit now? In the numerator we have volume, so that means it has to be centimeter cube. In the denominator there is surface area, that means per. What is the unit of surface area? It is centimeter square. So the unit is centimeter square. So now 2 cm cube, that is 2 centimeter cube per centimeter square. So this is the right answer, and the option it is C. So let us solve the next question. Slope of normal to the curve y, which is equal to x square minus 1 divided by x square at minus 1 comma 0 is. So he has given 4 options. So this was asked in 2015. Let us solve this. So consider the given curve. Y is equals to x square minus 1 divided by x square. So now let us go for differentiation now. dy by dx, which is equal to, derivative of x square will be 2x, then minus, write it as it is, then derivative of 1 by x square will be minus 2 divided by x cube, minus 2 divided by x cube. So now see here, dy by dx, which is equal to 2x, minus into minus becomes plus 2 divided by x cube, 2 divided by x cube. Now dy by dx at minus 1 comma 0, which is equal to, that means the value of x it is minus 1 and value of y it is 0. So here we have only x term, that means replace x by minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 plus 2 divided by minus 1 the whole cube, 2 divided by minus 1 the whole cube. So now dy by dx which is equal to, so 2 into minus 1 it is minus 2. So it is minus 2. Then minus 1 the whole cube is always minus 1. So plus by minus it is minus. So we get minus 2. So now dy by dx which is equal to minus 4. What is this now? This is slope of the tangent. But we have to calculate slope of the normal. Therefore slope of normal which is equal to minus 1 divided by dy by dx. Minus 1 divided by dy by dx. So here minus 1 divided by, what is the dy by dx now? It is minus 4. So minus by minus it is plus, we get 1 divided by 4. So which is the right answer now? It is the option B. So let's solve the next question. The equation of the normal to the curve y into 1 plus x square is equals to 2 minus x, where the tangent crosses the x axis is. So he has given the 4 options. So let us solve this now. This was asked in 2016. So we'll write the given curve now. We have y into 1 plus x square, which is equal to 2 minus x, and he has given that where the tangent crosses the x axis, it crosses the x axis means y coordinate will be 0. So now see here, put y, I call this as equation number 1, put y equal to 0 in 1. So what do we get now? If you put this as 0, this entire term will be 0 now. That means 2 minus x equal to 0. 2 minus x is equals to 0. This implies x is equals to 2. This implies x which is equal to 2. So what is the point now? Point is going to be 2 comma 0. So now we'll differentiate the given function. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So now see here we will have to apply the product rule. So derivative of y will be dy by dx, write the second function as it is, 1 plus x square as it is. Now plus write y as it is, derivative of 1 plus x square will be 2x, which is equal to, now derivative of 2 will be 0, minus write it as it is, derivative of x will be 1. So 0 minus 1 it is minus 1. So now this can be written as dy by dx into 1 plus x square, which is equal to, so this is nothing but 2xy, take it to the RHS, it becomes minus 2xy. So minus 2xy minus 1. So now dy by dx, which is equal to minus 2xy minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So now dy by dx at 2 comma 0, the point is 2 comma 0 now, at 2 comma 0, which is equal to see here minus, so now the value of y it is 0 here. If you substitute y as 0, this entire term will be 0. So that means we get only minus 1 in the numerator divided by 1 plus x square, x value it is 2, 2 square will be 4. So we get 4. So now dy by dx which is equal to minus 1 divided by 5, minus 1 by 5. So this is the slope of the tangent, but we need slope of normal. Slope of normal which is equal to minus 1 divided by slope of tangent. So this becomes 5. Now we have to find the equation of the normal. Therefore the equation of the normal normal at 2 comma 0 is, so it is y minus y1, that is 0, which is equal to m into m, it is 5 here, x minus x1, that is 2. So, y minus 0 will be y, which is equal to 5x minus 10. So, now this can be written as 5x minus y minus 10 is equals to 0. So, this is the required answer. Search for the options now. It is 5x minus y minus 10 equal to 0. That means it is option A. So, let us solve the next question. The point on the curve y square equal to x, where the tangent makes an angle of pi by 4 with the x axis is, so he has given the 4 options, and this was asked in 2017 Karnataka CET. So, let us solve this. So, we will write the given curve now, y square equal to x. So, I call this as equation number 1. So, now differentiate with respect to x. So, what do we get now? 2y dy by dx, which is equal to 1. So, now dy by dx, which is equal to 1 divided by 2y. So, what is this now? This is nothing but the slope of the tangent. So, here slope of tangent, which is equal to dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2y. Call this as equation number 2. So, next he has given that where the tangent makes an angle of pi by 4 with the x axis, that means the slope of the tangent it is pi by 4. So, what is the slope of the tangent now? It is m equal to tan theta. So, also the tangent, so the tangent makes an angle of pi by 4, with x axis, So, that is slope of tangent, is equals to tan pi by 4, which is equal to 1. So, I call this as equation number 3. So, now equate 2 and 3 now. See here, equation 2 is also slope of tangent, equation 3 is also slope of tangent. So, from 2 and 3, what do we get now? 1 by 2y, which is equal to 1. So, now this can be written as y, which is equal to 1 by 2. We have got the value of y. Substitute y equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 1, we get the value of x. Put y equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 1. So, what do we get now? 1 by 2 the whole square, which is equal to x. What is 1 by 2 the whole square? It is 1 by 4. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 4. This is the value of x. Therefore, the required point is, the required point is 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2, is 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2. So, which is the right answer now? 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2, it is option C. So, let us solve the sixth one. The tangent to the curve y is equals to 2x square minus x plus 1 is parallel to the line y equal to 3x plus 9 at the point. So, and he has given 4 options, we have to find the point. So, we will consider both the curves. So, here y is equals to 2x square minus x plus 1 minus x plus 1. So, differentiate this, we get dy by dx, which is equal to, so 4x minus 1. So, I call this as equation number 1. So, now consider another line now. It is in the form of y equal to mx plus c, where m is 3, that is the slope of the line is 3, and the slope of the line and the slope of the line y is equals to y, which is equal to 3x plus 9 is 3, that is m is equals to 3. So, now see here, the tangent to the curve, the tangent to this curve is parallel to the line. That means, so if they are parallel means the slopes are equal. Whenever the two lines are parallel, m1 is equals to m2. Since they are parallel, so we have to equate these two. So, 4x minus 1 is equals to 3. So, now take minus 1 to the RHS, it becomes plus 1, we get 4x equal to 4, and 4 and 4 get cancels, we get x equal to 1. So, now substitute the value of x equal to 1 in the given curve. Put x equal to 1 in y, is equals to 2x square minus x plus 1. So, y, which is equal to 2 minus 1 plus 1, 1 square will be 1. So, minus 1 plus 1 get cancels, y is equals to 2. Therefore, the required point it is, therefore, the point is 1 comma 2. The point is 1 comma 2. So, which is the right answer now? It is the option D. So, let us solve the exemplar problem. The curve y is equals to x to the power 1 by 5 at 0 comma 0 has, the four options are a vertical tangent that is parallel to y axis, and an horizontal tangent that is parallel to x axis, and then an oblique tangent and no tangent. So, see here, consider the given curve now. Y is equals to x to the power 1 by 5. So, now dy by dx which is equal to 1 by 5 x to the power 1 by 5 minus 1. So, dy by dx which is equal to 1 by 5, then x to the power, how much we get now? Take up the LCM, we get minus 4 divided by 5. So, now see here, dy by dx at 0 comma 0 which is equal to, at 0 comma 0. That means, in place of x, if you write 0, this entire term will be 0 now. So, dy by dx is equals to 0. What is dy by dx now? It is the slope of the tangent. Whenever the slope of the tangent is 0, it is parallel to the x axis. So, this implies the slope of the tangent, which is equal to 0, it is parallel to the x axis, that is an horizontal tangent. So, this is all about the 7th problem. So, let us solve the next exemplar problem. If the curve ay plus x square equal to 7 and x cube is equals to y cut orthogonally at 1 comma 1, then the value of a is, so we will write both the curves. So, it is ay plus x square which is equal to 7. So, now let us differentiate both the sides now. A is a constant, we get dy by dx plus 2x which is equal to 0. So, from this what do we get now? Dy by dx which is equal to minus 2x divided by a. So, now at 1 comma 1 dy by dx at 1 comma 1, which is equal to, so it is minus 2, write it as it is, x value it is 1 now, 2 into 1 it is 2 divided by a. So I call this as equation number 1. So now let us take up the second equation and differentiate it. Now x cube is equals to y, differentiate both the sides. Now we get 3x square, which is equal to dy by dx. So now dy by dx at 1 comma 1. So dy by dx at 1 comma 1 at 1 comma 1, which is equal to 3. Call this as equation number 2. So now they cut orthogonally. They cut orthogonally. They cut orthogonally. That means if you consider this as m1 and this as m2, so m1 into m2, which is equal to minus 1. So it is minus 2 by a into 3, which is equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1. So now minus 6 divided by a, which is equal to minus 1. So here minus 6, which is equal to minus a. So if you take a to the RHS, then minus minus get cancels, a which is equal to 6. So this is the value of a. So search for the options now. So it is option D.